Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Second recharge lets prepaid users add an additional recharge before expiry. This feature helps keep services active when you cannot do a full recharge. Check eligibility first by opening the My Bsnl app or using the UST menu. Look under Account Tools for second recharge or advance recharge options. Confirm your phone number and any required identity details shown on screen. Make sure you have a linked payment method or enough balance for the requested recharge amount. Open the My Bsnl app and sign in with your mobile number and OTP. Tap Account Services and select Second Recharge or Advance Recharge from the list. Follow prompts to choose the plan value and confirm the amount to be added. If you prefer UST, dial *123# and navigate to Advance or Second Recharge in the menu. Alternatively, visit the Bsnl website or an authorized retailer to pay and activate the second recharge immediately. After successful payment, you will receive an SMS confirmation with new validity and balance details. Check the My Bsnl app home screen to verify the updated expiry date and credit amount. If activation fails, retry using a different payment method or use UST as an alternate path. Contact Bsnl customer care from your registered number if problems persist and provide the transaction ID. Keep any payment receipts and screenshots for faster dispute resolution and follow up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.